Want to automate your email marketing and save hours of manual work? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create automation workflows in Brevo step by step. We'll build a workflow, choose a trigger, add actions and delays, test everything, and activate the automation so it runs automatically. First, open your web browser, visit the Brevo website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the automation section. This is where you'll create and manage all of your automated workflows. Next, click Create Workflow. Depending on your account, you may see ready-made templates or the option to start from scratch. Choose the option that best matches your goal, then give your workflow a clear and descriptive name. Every automation starts with a trigger. Select the event that should launch the workflow. Common triggers include a new subscriber joining your list, someone submitting a sign-up form, a completed purchase, or even a specific date. Now build the workflow by adding actions and conditions. You can send a welcome email, wait for a certain amount of time, update contact information, add tags, move subscribers to another list, or create decision branches based on how people interact with your emails. Before activating the workflow, review every step carefully. Make sure each trigger, action, and delay is connected correctly. If Brevo offers a preview or testing feature, use it to confirm that everything works exactly as expected. Once you're satisfied, activate the workflow. From that point on, Brevo will automatically run the automation whenever the selected trigger occurs. You can always return to the automation dashboard to monitor performance, make changes, or temporarily pause the workflow if needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create automation workflows in Brevo in 2026. Automation can save time, improve consistency, and help you deliver the right message at the right moment. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials and email marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.